Hi everybody, I'm Hulkan. Today I have JLab JBuds Mini headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily pair them with your MacBook. So, at first we have to make sure that they are not paired with any other device. They are completely forgotten or just disconnected. And meanwhile we have to open the Bluetooth using this Bluetooth icon and Bluetooth settings. Now we can we can take our headphones out of the case and they should automatically go into pairing mode. Let's wait until they appear in our Bluetooth settings. If it doesn't work, we have to place them in the case and take them out back. Here in every device, JLab JBuds Mini connect, and they are connected. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.